Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install code snippets in WordPress. This plugin is incredibly useful because it allows you to add custom code to your WordPress site without editing your theme files directly, making it much safer and easier to manage. First things first, go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Make sure you're using your administrator credentials, as you'll need full access to install and activate plugins on your site. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left side of your dashboard. Here you'll find the plugins option. Go ahead and click on plugins. This section is where you manage all the functionality additions to your WordPress site, and it's the gateway to expanding what your website can do. After clicking on plugins, you'll be taken to the plugins page. At the very top of this page, you'll notice an option that says Add New. Click on Add New to access WordPress's plugin repository, where thousands of plugins are available for installation. Now you'll see a search box at the top right of the page labeled Search Plugins. This is where you'll find exactly what you need. Type code snippets into this search box. As you type, WordPress will automatically start filtering the results to show you relevant plugins. In the search results that appear, look for the plugin specifically named code snippets. It's usually one of the first results and is a popular choice among WordPress users. Once you've found it, you'll see an Install Now button right next to it. Click on Install Now to begin the installation process. This downloads and installs the plugin files directly to your WordPress site. The installation process typically takes just a few seconds. Once it's complete, the Install Now button will change to an Activate button. This is an important step because installing the plugin alone isn't enough. You need to activate it to make it functional on your site. Go ahead and click the Activate button. And that's it. You've successfully installed and activated code snippets on your WordPress site. The plugin is now ready to use, and you can start adding custom code snippets safely without touching your theme files. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.